across the room. But what happens if you want some hidden lighting, you want some lighting on the shelves and stuff like that? So the lighting that we're going to be doing today, we're just going to add a cube. And we're just going to elongate it. I mean, this is so simple to do. So we're going to put it up against this wall here. Just move it inwards just there. So this is going to act as our temporary shelf. And instead of having our lighting right up against the wall like this, and you know, you can't see the bulb or whatever like that, if like you don't want to make any lighting like that. So basically what you want to do is take your default cube that you've just put there, go into edit mode, make sure it's flush up against the wall. What we're going to do is just go Control R, and then we're going to bring this one down. So press E and just bring it down. And then, here's the clever bit, we put our lighting underneath. So it's hidden within the scene. So now what we have is something like this. Hold on. Oh, it's behind. Hang on. My mistake. Alright, so it should be there. And on the inside. Okay. So now we should have lighting like this, where it's covered by a shelf, it's hidden. So we can actually put more lighting in here as well, so I can go Shift D, move that across. So let me just show you an example here. So this is your general lighting that doesn't have a bulb in there. There's nothing special about it. We delete that. This would now be your posh hidden lighting.